Hi everyone, I'm Sandy Gold and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to maintain your eyebrows while we're stuck at home. And here's how. So the first thing you want to do is determine your natural eyebrow shape so that you know where your eyebrow should start, where it should end, and where you want to place the arch. So what you do is take any pencil, like an eyeliner or lip pencil, and line the bottom of the pencil with the outer edge of your nose, and the top of the pencil with the inner corner of your eye. This is where your eyebrow should start. So if there's any hair on this side of the pencil, that is what you want to pluck. And if there is any hair missing on this side of the pencil, that is where you would fill in. To find the arch, you move the pencil and align it with the center of your pupil. This is where your arch should be and the highest point of your eyebrow. The end of your eyebrow is where your pencil ends when lined up with the outer corner of your eye. So any hair below the pencil here, you pluck, and any hair missing above the pencil, you would fill in. I like to fill in my brows and shape them first before plucking. This way it acts as a stencil so you know exactly which hairs to pluck and which hairs can stay. So to fill them in, I'm going to use the Overarchiever brow pencil from Doll 10. This is my go-to pencil for eyebrows because it has an ultra fine tip that gives you hair-like strokes so it looks really natural, and I love that. Go ahead and fill in any sparse areas that need to be filled in. To create the appearance of real hair, use soft strokes and apply it in the direction of your natural hair growth. Then with an eyebrow comb, comb them through to blend out the color. So now that we've already filled in our brows and created a stencil, now you can clearly see which hairs need to go and which can stay. I'm using tweezers from La-Tweez, which I love because you guys, they come with an LED light that illuminates your brows so you can see exactly what you're plucking. How fun is that? When plucking, you want to make sure that you go nice and slow and pluck in the direction of hair growth to prevent irritation. And that's it, perfect eyebrows that you can do yourself while at home. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon.